Hey guys, today we're going to talk about SoFi versus Ally. Which online bank is better? If you're trying to choose between SoFi and Ally, both offer high interest savings, no fees, and investment options. But which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First of all, we'll talk about fees and account features. SoFi has no fees, free overdraft protection, and early direct deposit. Ally has also no fees, multiple account types, and seamless money transfers. Let's talk about savings and interest rates. SoFi has higher APY, but only if you set up direct deposit. Ally, on the other hand, has competitive APY with no deposit requirements. Let's talk about credit and debit cards. SoFi has cashback credit card with rewards for investments. Ally, on the other hand, has no credit card but strong auto loan and mortgage options. Let's talk about investing and extra features. SoFi has SoFi Invest for stocks, crypto, and automated investing. Ally, on the other hand, has Ally Invest with self-directed and robo-advisory options. So, which one is better? SoFi is best for higher savings rates, investing, and all-in-one financial tools. Ally, on the other hand, is great for traditional online banking with strong saving options. So, which bank do you prefer? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe for more fintech reviews and money tips.